considered camping out in the snow. That is until we got our trucks last year. And with the lack of California rain, we didn't know when we'd be able to try. Until this past weekend, Mother Nature blessed us with rain, giving us some snow-dusted mountains. So we headed out to a yellow post site up in San Bernardino for a night out to experience the winter snow.
I think this is one of the roads. I think we just took a shortcut to some fun time.
So I'm backing up right now. Alan's currently stuck. I was stuck for a little bit. I'm slowly reversing because the last time I hit Alan's truck. But I'm hoping to pull him out of the snow.
Let's see, you might need to come closer. Definitely come closer. back. Come on.
So please don't be too rude to me.
You got too cold, huh?
When I'm about
Gotta wrap his feet in there. You're freezing.
just please don't try too hard to see.
So we're here at Yellow Post. So if you don't know what Yellow Post means, pretty much it's kind of dispersed camping. There's established fire pits, but there's no bathrooms or other amenities here. It's a nice spot. While we got up here, I was leading the way, kind of got stuck. So the forerunner had to pull me out. So the little fat thing was able to get through this trip with no problems. All the Tacoma is out there. It's lighter in the back, so you know, we get stuck a little easier too. Overall, nothing that we couldn't manage. We got all our recovery gears.
It's my fault I can't see my ways. And trust me, I wish you would stay. Tell me why I can't see through all this while talking to you.
That smells good. So we survived tonight. I don't think this is the coldest weather we've slept in, but then again, we did bring all of the sleeping bags and blankets that we owned, and we did invest in a buddy heater that we let run before we went inside of the iCamper, just kind of warm it up before we came in. I felt like before it used to take about a whole hour for us to get situated inside, but it was nice and cozy by the time we went up in the iCamper.
It's nice and warm now. I got cold a little bit last night. I don't know what time, but I can hear the snow hitting the tent. Was it the snow?
This definitely has to be one of the nicest views that I've waken up to. Very calm, very scenic. It's nice to wake up to no one else around you. Even Milo's enjoying the view. He doesn't want to come out yet, it's too cold. Digging this out because our little common area ended up becoming very icy. Keep slipping on it.
Yeah. You don't want to be carrying knives and slipping over here, so it's about time to clear up some of that snow.
Just waiting for our friends to come. They're going to be coming here in Tacoma. I think they just made it.